I was in a car wreck at 5 o'clock over by the medical center area and the park. But I was rear-ended and pushed into the car ahead of me. The gentleman who hit me was a student, and I think at one of the local universities. I don't know which one. But his father claimed to be an attorney, or his stepdad claimed to be an attorney, and he called his stepdad to say, I'm in a wreck. And his stepdad said, would you please put on the other person? And his stepdad told both myself and the lady I had, you don't need to wait for police, you need to go ahead and leave because it's a no-fault accident. And I went, excuse me, I know better. And there's 3 people involved, 3 different vehicles, 1 if not 2 at least are non-drivable, and you're not telling me that it's a no-fault accident, But I figured with someone who was going to be that dishonest even before anyone had responded, I knew I needed to have somebody represent me. Through mutual friends of Dirk. She is one of my massage therapists, and she used Dirk when he was in California to settle some issues with her dog. He's a dog person and she is too, and she said he's a really good guy and he's moved here. And I said, okay. And so she came in and saw Dirk and said hi and dropped his name, my name to him and his to me, and next day I called. I've been in physical therapy ever since. Using my chiropractor does acupuncture, pressure, and a bunch of other things, aka kinesiology is what she primarily does, and then I have some massage therapists that work with that, and she's been doing some physical therapy with me as well. Because of my condition coming into the wreck, this was the 3rd that I'd had in 2 years. So I had a lot of other issues there that were ready. It was a, what do you call that, a perfect storm event. And all the MRIs showed that yes, I need surgery to remove bone spurs that were causing some of the problems, but I'm a singer. And if I have surgery, the probabilities that I will end up not being able to sing anymore. And I'm a professional singer, so no, I'm mobile, I am doing shows again and just having a good time. What I loved about Dirk and Madeline is that they kept setting me up with doctors, and one of the first ones they sent me to, I really did not like. And I just talked to Madeline, I told her, and she was very understanding, and she worked with me to find someone that would work with me and that jived with me. And that I appreciate is when your attorneys aren't just bullying you and saying you have to do this, but they're saying let's work with you, and they did. Madeline was great, and she held my hand throughout all of it. And sometimes when I needed to just kind of dump, she let me dump on her, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Pleasantly satisfied and surprised. Oh, I'd give him a 5.
Perfect.
Come on.
Why'd you even ask?